Hey you guys, Shay Nish here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. So today we are going to be flat ironing Naomi. This hair comes from a black owned business called Be Famous Beauty. I love this company. If you rock with me, if you've been rocking with me for a long time, then y'all know I have had a ball the last couple of years trying all of the different hair that they have to offer. I have never flat ironed any of them though, and they've asked me on a few occasions like, hey, did you try to flat iron this? And I was like, no, I forgot, because I'm not necessarily into straight hair as much as I am curls or waves or whatever. So for this one though, I did want to go ahead and flat iron it just to see what it would be like, and I absolutely loved it. Of course, y'all will see the final results at the end. But I just wanted to pop in and say, hey, y'all know I'm going to turn the music up and vibe out with you guys. But I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Oh, also, let me just go ahead and add this in. Y'all going to see me detangling this hair. I have had this hair in at that point. I had that hair in for several weeks. And if you don't know me, then know that I am very rough on hair. I don't use shower caps. I don't use bonnets or anything like that. So this hair has gotten wet. It has gotten tossed around. It has gotten put in a bun for days and then taken back down. And I did not detangle it, not once. I know I should. Yeah, but I didn't. So when you see me detangling, know that that is from me pretty much acting a fool for weeks. So the fact that you see that when I brush it and it comes right back, that's huge. That is actually huge. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to let me know what y'all think of the final results down in the comment section. And if you want to purchase this hair or see any other of my videos, make sure to check the description box for everything I want y'all to watch.
I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the calf torn. Feel like I live it and fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Fuck how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could fuck with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill, the space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave.
No, I really can't complain. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave. But everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave. But everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage. Like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a favorite. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate jumping like an no sleep out. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's madness. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of slums with the words on the page. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way out the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My Providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on 8. Escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum. Yelling 12 with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera. Coming live from the mud pit, we don't take post beef for granted. I plan to keep it stress free, live and die young, I leave it on the canvases. Split up some with my better half, every day like it's a holiday. My on dumb flame till the wheels kill, I'm on road rage. Yeah. On dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage.
I've been on the run. My third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Life in the slums. I've been on the run. My third eye open. Yeah.
Hey, fuck the ceiling, I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got a human, they ain't used to it. Rely me to the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm better till I feel black. And I still ride for it on a couple flats, I've been down, better bounce back. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
I've been on the run. My third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Yeah. Life in the slums. My third eye open.
Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da! I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven.
Life is what you make it. I feel like amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memory